Welcome everyone to this explainer. Today we are braving the drugstore skincare aisle, and let's be honest, that place can be so overwhelming it practically requires a map and a compass just to navigate. We're zeroing in specifically on anti-aging moisturizers. Now let's be totally real right off the bat, no cream in a jar is going to magically perform like an in-office laser. There's just no way. But you absolutely do not need to spend luxury prices to get smoother, healthier looking skin. Think of me as your personal skincare matchmaker today. We are going to find the perfect drugstore moisturizer for your specific routine, cutting right through all that marketing noise to find the formulas that actually work.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, decoding drugstore anti-aging. Then, top picks for hydration and barrier, followed by top picks, retinol reality. After that, we'll hit daytime and budget options. And finally, stick around for the smart buyer checklist. I want you to keep this quote in the back of your mind as we go through today's explainer. The best one depends on your skin, not just the label on the jar. As skincare enthusiasts, you know that one person's holy grail product is, well, another person's absolute breakout trigger. Your results are going to vary wildly depending on your unique skin sensitivity, your local climate, and honestly, your routine consistency. We really need to completely ditch this myth of a universal magic cream.
All right, Section 1. Decoding drugstore anti-aging. Let's establish our ground rules before we start naming names.
So here are the 5 criteria we use to separate the actual heavy hitters from the empty promises. Now you guys already know the importance of matching your specific skin type and seeking out sensible, proven actives, things like niacinamides, ceramides, and peptides. But beyond that, we're also judging on ease of use because let's face it, a sticky finish is a total deal breaker. We're also looking at value for money and realistic expectations. Basically, we're looking for the absolute smartest buy for the formula, not just the cheapest price tag on the shelf.
Moving right along to Section 2. Top picks, hydration and barrier. These are our safe bets for easily irritated skin. For our best overall pick, we have an absolute titan of the drugstore space. It's the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. This stuff packs a premium-level peptide and niacinamide punch right at a drugstore price, and it beautifully supports hydration and texture without being overly aggressive. Plus, it has a fantastic, rich feel that doesn't feel heavy or old-fashioned. Just a quick pro tip though, absolutely always double-check the box. Olay makes this in fragrance-free and SPF versions, so make sure you are grabbing the exact formulation you actually want. Now, if your skin gets red or angry easily, your absolute safe haven is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. This is our best pick for sensitive skin. Look, this isn't trying to be some flashy anti-aging miracle. It is the ultimate calming barrier support cream, packed with essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. If your skin feels tight or compromised and you desperately need deep moisture and comfort rather than an aggressive active, this is exactly what your barrier needs to stay happy and healthy.
For those of you out there with an active routine, and by that I mean you're already pushing your skin with harsh acne treatments or really strong prescription retinoids, you need a moisturizer that excels at putting out the fire. The Differin Restorative Night Moisturizer is our top pick here. By utilizing hyaluronic acid and allantoin, it provides lightweight, incredibly soothing support. It immediately calms flaky, stressed skin, which makes it the absolute perfect supporting player in a heavy-hitting routine.
Okay, shifting gears to Section 3, Top Picks, Retinol Reality. This is where we bring out the big guns for deep wrinkles.
Here is the undisputed heavyweight champion of drugstore retinol, the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. RoC has a massive, well-earned reputation for effectively targeting the look of deep lines while keeping you on a budget. But, as we all know, retinol demands respect. Even though this is drugstore, it really packs a punch. If you are sensitive, you know the drill. You gotta stick to your slow cycling routines. Maybe twice a week to start. And honestly, if you are rosacea prone, you probably want to skip this entirely.
2 other retinol options are highly worth mentioning while we're on the subject. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair cleverly combines retinol with hydrating hyaluronic acid to kind of cushion the blow, essentially mitigating transepidermal water loss while that retinol works its magic. Then there's the L'Oreal Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer. This is a fantastic multitasker blending pro-retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid for a really simplified routine. Just a quick reminder for our sensitive users out there, definitely make sure to seek out the fragrance-free version of the L'Oreal cream.
So what do you do if classic retinol is literally just too harsh for your skin barrier? Well, the Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream is our top retinol alternative. Instead of aggressive vitamin A, it uses a gentle, fragrance-free blend of purified peptides alongside vitamins B3 and B5. It supports skin firmness and boosts hydration, and it entirely skips the dreaded peeling or adjustment periods associated with traditional retinols. No redness, no drama.
And this brilliantly illustrates the two totally different paths you can take here. On one side, Rock Retinol Correction is for tolerant skin actively seeking aggressive, targeted, deep wrinkle treatment. On the flip side, Cetaphil Healthy Renew is the safe harbor for easily annoyed skin wanting gentle firmness without the risk of a totally damaged barrier. Knowing which path you're on is honestly half the battle. All right, Section 4, Daytime and Budget Options. Let's look at SPF and volume picks, because focusing only on night creams and ignoring the daytime is a massive mistake.
For the daytime, the No 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Day Cream gives you ultimate convenience. It mixes vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and broad-spectrum SPF 30 all into one. But listen carefully to this. A tiny pea-sized dab of this will absolutely not protect you from the sun. We know better. To get that true SPF 30 protection, you literally have to apply a generous layer. And if you're outdoors all day, a dedicated sunscreen on top is 100% still a must. If you want a deeply comforting night cream without the sheer intensity of retinol, the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Restorative Night Cream is a really beautiful choice. Interestingly, the blackberry complex it uses has a surprisingly high antioxidant profile, which pairs excellently with vitamin C and E. It's perfect for a softer, traditional-feeling night cream that just deeply moisturizes. Now, if you want maximum volume for the absolute lowest price, our budget champion is Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Wrinkle Cream. It utilizes alpha-hydroxy acids alongside collagen to help smooth the skin. And because it comes in a massive tub, it's perfect for taking all the way down your neck and chest. Just keep in mind that those exfoliating AHAs can definitely sting if your skin is currently feeling sensitive.
And finally, we've arrived at Section 5, the Smart Buyer Checklist. Here is exactly what you need to know before you buy.
Let's rapid fire the biggest pitfalls you need to avoid in the drugstore aisle. Number 1, don't let viral hype override your actual skin type. If you're oily, don't buy a super rich cream just because it's trending on social media. 2, respect the actives. We know not to rush strong retinols or exfoliating acids. 3, check the versions. Actually, always double check the box for fragrance-free if you're prone to irritation. And 4, factor in those hidden costs. A massive budget tub is literally worthless if the fragrance irritates your eyes or the formula breaks you out. With all that laid out, what does this all mean for you? Let's recap your perfect match. If you want a safe, effective, all-arounder, Olay is your best friend. If your barrier is compromised, grab the CeraVe. Ready to carefully tackle deep lines? Pick up that Rock Retinol. Need daytime SPF convenience? No 7 is your winner. Hunting for sheer budget volume? Pond's has you covered.
Take a close look at this breakdown to find your ideal match. Remember, consistency always beats marketing hype. Make sure you patch test new actives on your jawline and be patient. Wait for those good drugstore sales. I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought for the next time you're standing there in the skincare aisle. Are you buying the strong